Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. Hello again everyone. Here is a beautiful 4-lever lock. I cannot see a manufacturer embossed on the lock. However, on the rear is a slightly worn inscription stating the lock was made in Germany. Unfortunately, I do not possess a key for this lock. So I am going to pick it open and then pick it closed on completion. I cannot feel any false gates on the levers, but they have become stiff with age. The tools I'm using are from UK lockpickers. Okay. We have the open. Now I have to position the pick in the correct orientation so that I can once again lift the levers. This is fiddly. Okay, now we are in business. There we go. Pick back closed. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you all next time.